Hi students, in this session let me share my personal views on will GATE or EAC exams be postponed because of this corona and all, and when to start GATE preparation, means what is the right time to start GATE preparation, and effects of public sector privatization, okay, means what will happen about our future and all, and lockdown gift validity. Okay, and lockdown gift we have provided in our portal, free access to thousands of members, almost 6,000 I think. Okay, and this, before going any further, let me say Eid Mubarak to all. One thing I have to share here, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, all festivals will be celebrated at my home equally because I'm Hindu, my wife is Muslim, and my friend, one of my best friend, who is taking care of all the activities of mine since 2002, means T&S constructions or insurance agency or many things. Okay, so he is only taking care of all those things. He is Christian. Anyway, coming to the point, let me go do back engineering. First of all, if anything is distracting you from the preparation, just send me WhatsApp message. I will answer to your query. Okay, means maybe demotivation, or maybe how to study the subjects, okay, or maybe what are the reference books, because depending upon your queries, if that query is like most popular query, I will do a video on it. If anything is related to personal, I will directly call to you and talk to you. Okay, ultimately you should not get deviated from your preparation of GATE or ESC or any public sector jobs. Okay, so you can take down my number. Next thing is lockdown gift validity. We announced that till lockdown, okay, we will provide the 48 hours of content roughly free of cost. Okay, that lockdown gift validity is about to be expired. Okay, we are going to remove that we are going to keep it up to 31st of May this month. Okay, so whoever want to convert yourself into premium or paid users, maybe they can relax, not a problem. But whoever don't want to continue, means for them I request you to complete the 48 hours of content as soon as possible. Okay, because by 31st May we are going to shut down that particular free section. If anybody is yet to take free lockdown gift, just send us mail to gate.knrao@gmail.com, and share your mobile number also, such that maybe our guys will give the access within this particular 6-7 days or 7-8 days. You will be able to do the preparation. Okay, quality preparation, quality preparation. Next thing is, let me talk about this, effects of public sector privatization. Basically one thing here, I feel engineers should be self-reliant. Engineers should think like entrepreneurs. Engineers are economists. Okay, without us, economy will not be there, will not sustain, we cannot roll. Okay, see, if Indian economy is devastated, maybe if some other country economy is good, maybe we may think of going there and survive, lead the life happily. Don't bring patriotism and all into this account now. Okay, but problem here is complete world economy is devastated, complete world economy. Under that conditions, we don't have any place to go. And one thing, change is inevitable. Okay, either we have to oppose the change or we have to adapt the change. Okay, always I prefer second one, in the sense, if you are in forest, you should be able to lead life happily. If you are in desert also, you should be able to lead life happily. That should be entrepreneur mindset, and that should be engineer mindset. Okay, so think like an engineer here. We need not lead the life under the mercy of somebody, under the kindness of somebody. Okay, let it be government or let it be anything. Anyway, coming to the point. Okay, yes, we have to go with logic. We are engineers. We are not idiots. Okay, we are engineers. Always remember, we are engineers. We have to go with the logic. Okay, can we stop the change? May not be. Okay, of course, who is trying to stop the change? Maybe in public sector, whoever are already working with some unions and all. Okay, so they will fight back anyway. We have to go with logic. Okay, the first logic is basically it can be government or private or maybe something else. They need engineers. No? Without engineers, can any power industry roll? No. Okay, it can be private industry or public industry, compulsory engineers should be there. Okay, without engineers, no industry role. Okay, so we are not going to lose any place here. Okay, and second thing is, if you think logically, ours is biggest democratic country. Is it that much easy to roll the changes over the night? Okay, it's not possible. It's not possible. So they have to take their due course of time. They have to take their due course of time. During that time, our life might be settled. Okay, so means removing or maybe selling the government stake to other companies, it may not happen such as suddenly. One thing, logic, because democratic country. Okay, many unions will be there, many problems will be there, even if they move also, we should be self-reliant people. I repeat, we should be self-reliant people. Okay, we need not lead our life under the mercy of anybody. Think like an entrepreneur. Think with logic. Logic says that without engineers, industry cannot roll. Okay, under that conditions, why to bother? Let them do. Okay, so means we need not fight. Already whoever has to fight, because whoever are working in there and unions and all, they will do their duty. So from outside, because basically one thing I'll tell you, engineers are students. Okay, especially students are very prone to disturbance. Okay, so for all these mess, students will be easily attracted because they are young people, they are energetic people, they don't know how to vent that energy. So because of that, unnecessarily, if you think about all these things now, if you feel disappointed and demotivated, who can help you at that situation? Okay, and that too during pandemic situation. Okay, complete economy is devastated. So at this point of time, compulsorily you have to think with logic. Okay, so that logic say that very simple, two logics: democratic country, biggest democratic country, it take its due course of time. Second thing is, without engineers, no industry can survive. So rather than bothering about it, first of all, prepare yourself for electrical engineering, because for an electrical engineering, without asking electrical engineering questions, will they hire? No. Okay, so you will be tested in electrical engineering only. Maybe they may recruit through gate, or maybe some other exam, or they may conduct their own exam. Okay, so even I'll tell you, even in some of the public sectors, okay, Maharatna or Navaratna, whatever it may be, we know that even now also they are directly recruiting through different IITs and all. Okay, don't bother much. If you are ready with the preparation, okay, whatever they do, we'll be able to crack it. They will conduct the exam with only electrical engineering. It can be through gate or beyond the gate. And they can give one more section, that is aptitude section. That aptitude section is also there in gate also, no? Okay, so mathematics section, they may not test us. If they conduct separate exam. Always, I used to say in our, in my previous video, when railways withdrawn from ESCA, okay, in that video also I said the same. Okay, accidentally, if you fall in the river, okay, while going by boat or something, okay, if you fall in the river, you have to be opportunistic and you have to be happy that thank God after these many years of time I got the opportunity to swim in the river. Okay, that should be the mindset of engineers. Okay, be optimistic. Now, when to start the preparation? When to start gate preparation? Today is the right time. Okay, because if you think of, for example, till May and forget about it, June. Okay, basically we can divide the whole total gate preparation into three categories. Okay, working employees will be there, and second thing is BTech studying students will be there, dropouts will be there. Okay, for example, let me think of BTech studying students. Okay, for BTech students, whoever are there in final year, already people started conducting online tests and all, BTech engineering colleges. Okay, even private engineering colleges also started delivering their lectures through online. Okay, and most of the universities even published that they are going to conduct their final year exams from June last week or July first week. So they are going to waste in the preparation time roughly like 20 days. Okay, so 20 days it's going to be wasted in the name of BTech exams. Okay, so in the month of June, if you can start the preparation, okay, in the month of June, if you can start the preparation, if you ramp up your preparation in the month of June, and July, for example, forget about July because you have to write exams. You have to write exams. And again, in the month of June, if you can ramp up, August, September, October, November. Okay, these 4 months, you can speed up the process like hell. Okay, and December and January just meant for revision. Okay, so in that way, first 1 month immediately, like nobody can directly jump and take 10 hours preparation daily. So this is the right time. Okay, don't delay. Next thing is, if I think of employees. Okay, after this I'm going to discuss, actually many people are thinking that gate exam will be postponed. Will it be postponed or not? I will discuss about that also. If you think of employees, daily 4 hours they can get. Okay, so daily 4 hours only maximum they can get. So with daily 4 hours, means in the present scenario of this COVID, many pressures will be there for employees because they have to take care of their families. Okay, because they might have given previously some amounts and all to the family, so now obviously they have to continue that. Some pressures will be there, financial pressures will be there, emotional pressures will be there in the job. Okay, recently also I got one mail, even I spoke to him. Okay, he is getting A, B, C, 3 shifts. Okay, he has to work 3 shifts, maybe 1 week 1 shift, second day maybe second week second shift, third week third shift. That way he is unable to plan his preparation. Okay, so daily 4 hours only employees get. So it's better for them, because for BTech studying students, once exams are over, they'll be free. Okay, and whoever are dropouts, they are wonderful. Okay, but if you think of employees, even now also they can prepare 4 hours only, even after 3 months also they can prepare 4 hours only. So employees has to start as soon as possible. Now if you think of dropouts, okay, so if you think of dropouts basically, one thing I'll tell you, they only have the flexibility of going to at least some part of standard books. Okay, some part of standard books can be revised only by some part only, because if you think of preparing all the standard books, okay, when will you complete the syllabus? Because in order to crack gate exam, in order to crack any competitive exam, any national competitive exam, means syllabus coverage should be done, because present scenario is like that, present competition is like that. So syllabus has to be completed by going through only standard books. Now only standard books, definitely it will not, time will not be sufficient. Okay, if you think of dropouts, some portion they can go through standard books. Okay, so they will get more flexibility. For example, for dropouts, June, July, if they can ramp up the speed, again August to November, they can prepare at the peak. Okay, again December, January, they can slow down, and they can more focus on the revision. Because one thing I'll tell you, whatever the preparation you are starting now, okay, means you are going to write some kind of short notes. Okay, you will manage the time, you will always feel like self-motivation, you will try to draw. Okay, why all these things? Because in the last 1 week, okay, just before the exam, 1 week, if you can revise all the things whatever you studied from today till 1 week before, that is enough. Okay, so in order to revise complete electrical engineering or complete any engineering in last 1 week, means we are preparing. In the last 1 week, for example, today if you have done any mistake, okay, so in the last 1 week, if you can revise that, okay, I have done that mistake, you are not going to do that mistake in the exam. Okay, so our preparation is meant to last 1 week severe revision, okay, such that you will be able to grab it. Okay, so for dropouts also, they can go through some portion of standard books, at least wherever they are too much weak. Okay, wherever they feel underconfident, so they definitely can get that particular time if they start preparation now. Okay, so don't waste your time, don't get distracted, okay, because many guys will be there to distract you, many news will be there to distract you. Okay, so don't get distracted. Our focus, because we have to lead happy life. Okay, so we want to get better recognition. I'll tell you one thing, maybe roughly 1 to 1.5 lakh people attempt gate exam. Maybe if I think of electrical engineering. Okay, out of that, how many serious aspirants used to be there? Maybe last year or last year. Out of 1.5 lakh people, 10,000 people maximum, because 18 years of experience, trust me, I know. Okay, maximum 10,000 people only will take gate exam seriously. Remaining all have the mindset of getting distracted to each and everything. Okay, maybe if mother and father fight at the home, immediately they will get distracted, they will get demotivated, they will leave everything. Okay, if any issue with girlfriend or boyfriend, okay, again they will leave it, and for months together, years together, they will continue thinking about the other party only. Okay, and they will leave the preparation. So actually many guys start the preparation very seriously. Okay, very seriously. While starting the preparation, everybody will be serious. Out of 1.5 lakh people, at least 50,000 people will start very seriously. Remaining 1 lakh people, just it is 1,000 rupees or 1,500 rupees. Okay, let us apply for gate. What will happen? Kya hoga? Dekhenge. Okay, so in that way only mindset will be there. So out of 50,000 people at least, means whoever are going to start the preparation very seriously, 50,000 people, out of that till end, only 10,000 people retain. Remain focused. So point here is, don't get distracted. Okay, our target is, I repeat, getting into any exam is a qualification, but qualifying for it is not a qualification. Okay, so if you feel like I'm preparing for gate, so I got some achievement. No, if you are preparing for gate, okay, let your gate rank speak. Okay, let your gate rank speak. Then automatically everybody will recognize you. Okay, because our life, okay, what is the purpose of our life? I didn't say that, Sigmund Freud said that, a famous psychologist. Okay, so Sigmund Freud said that we do everything to get recognition, in the first place. Okay, you will be more recognized as an IITian, you will be more recognized as an NITian, you will be more recognized as a PSU servant. Okay, so we all strive hard for the recognition, we all try to increase our catchment area of recognition. That's why we are leading the life. Okay, as per psychologists. Now, will gate IAS exams be postponed? One thing dear, already this year ESC, okay, because it is in the COVID time, because everything is logic. Okay, I don't want to derail my guys by saying some nonsense logic. Okay, so everything, let us deal with proper logic. Okay, basically some people are feeling that this 3 months roughly, okay, 2 months or 3 months, so this 2 months or 3 months gap came. Okay, so gate exam also, will it be postponed by 3 months? No. If you see the BTech final year situation now, okay, what private engineering colleges are doing? Private engineering colleges too, IITs, they are trying to conduct online exams. Okay, they are trying to conduct, online classes. They are trying to provide online classes. By providing online classes, they are speeding up the process. Okay, such that somehow by July end, if they can push this final year batch out, then one batch will be out, they will focus on remaining thing. So before corona, they used to go in a normal pace, but now because of this delay, the pace has been increased. Okay, they speeded up the process. And some students are saying me, okay, I got to know. So basically one thing here, they are trying to reduce the syllabus. Out of 3 hours paper, they may try to reduce to 2 hours paper only. Out of 8 questions, normally we used to select 5 questions in Andhra and Telangana. Okay, but now they may give 10 questions. Out of that, they may ask you to write 4 or 5 questions. Okay, so they are speeding up the process. Okay, once they speed up the process, and till February, this corona will not be there. Okay, corona in the sense means new customs will come, and gate exam is online exam only. No, first of all, gate exam is online exam only. And second thing is my BTech engineering colleges are speeding up the process. So even if gate exam is postponed, it cannot be postponed within weeks. Means it cannot be postponed beyond weeks. Okay, so it should be means very near only. So even if you get, for example, while gate exam, if gate exam is postponed maybe by 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 1 week, for example, under that condition, let us utilize that extra time for extra revision. Means point here is very simple. If you feel like, okay, gate exam may be postponed, if you stop the preparation, and already like many layoffs are going to happen, okay, because the economy, okay, is crunched completely. So because of this devastating economy, if companies, many companies, that's obvious, right? So many companies, layoffs will happen. They will come to the gate exam. Okay, they will come to the gate exam, and many of the final year guys who got placed in campus, okay, so their joining dates will be delayed by even 1 year, 1.5 years also they can be delayed. Okay, so point here is they also will come to gate exam only. Okay, and working guys who fail will come to gate exam. Okay, working guys who lose their jobs will come to gate exam, and BTech students who thought of going to job because they got placed in campus will come to gate exam. Okay, and other guys, for example, previously means people used to prepare for software. Look, by taking a gap of 3 months or 6 months, they used to go through one course, and they used to, what they say, keep some certificate, experience certificate and all. They used to get jobs. Will they try now? No, they will not try. Because software is not only software, complete economy is going to collapse. So most of the members will come to gate exam. Okay, and again, if you think logically, this particular competition may not be increased. Okay, so if you try to rely on the basics, okay, basically competition may not be increased because offline is gone. Okay, so offline coaching centers are gone this year. Okay, in near future there is no possibility, means I'm as per my personal view, I'm unable to see anything in future. Immediately within 1 month offline coaching is going to be started, because social distancing is going to be new custom for us. Okay, so the moment social distancing is going to be new custom, nobody can sit like inside the classroom. Actually no government can allow them to conduct classes, especially coaching centers. Okay, so because of lack of offline coaching centers, definitely competition will be reduced. So number of people who are going to appear for gate will be increased, and some kind of competition is going to be reduced. Okay, so stay focused. If you still have some hope on offline, just come out of it. And actually some of my students are saying, okay, that some of the coaching centers even started refunding the money who cannot continue offline classes. Okay, they started even refunding the money also, means through some of my students I came to know. Okay, so, and that too for offline, because we may have to maintain some infrastructure and many things. Okay, for offline fees can be more, but in online fees cannot be more. Okay, so point here is very simple. Okay, as of now for this year, you cannot depend on offline coaching centers. Okay, so don't continue like maybe in the month of August we'll start, in the month of September we start. Okay, but in the month of September, if any coaching center start, for example, okay, so September to maximum February, because as per my logic, gate exam cannot be postponed. Okay, even if they postpone, it will be by weeks only, because whatever may be the gap we got of 2 months. Okay, that 2 months they are ramping up the process, I know. Okay, even BTech engineering colleges, they started teaching in online. They are able to reach the students and they are able to deliver the lectures. Okay, and one small request I would like to tell to BTech students. Okay, means once you go through our lectures, and if you come to know any new things, that's obvious, right? Many times you feel the syllabus or you feel the subject. Okay, don't ask those doubts to your BTech faculties. Okay, so if you ask these things to BTech faculties, okay, if you have any doubt in our lectures, you please ask us only. Send a mail to gate.knrao, technical mails, okay, at gmail.com. Okay, and beyond that, if you learn something in our video lectures, and then if you go and ask your faculty whether, in order to test him whether he know it or not, most preferably 90% of the chances he may not know. Okay, under that conditions some grudge will be developed. Even I think 3 days back also I spoke with one of the student. I scolded him, no, if you learn the knowledge, keep it with you, because our target is not to compete with BTech engineering college faculty. Our target is to compete with national level. Okay, so BTech students, kindly don't do that here, please. Okay, so anyway, conclusion is very simple. Most preferably GATE or ESC exams cannot be postponed, because at least GATE, okay, because exam is online. Okay, and in online everything is working. In online everything is working. So IITs also, okay, IT directors meet or whatever maybe they meet, they can meet in online. They can decide everything in online. They can write questions in online. They can send questions in online. And by that time, you may think of BTech students will not be ready, will not be able to complete the BTech course. In that case, how they can conduct? How they can conduct GATE exam? Okay, no, they are speeding up the process. No, 2 months of delay, they are speeding up the process. 2 months or 3 months of delay, they are speeding up the process to reduce the time. Okay, they are trying to reduce the syllabus. They are trying to reduce the number of hours, means of test, of exam, 3 hours to 2 hours, like that. So under that condition, the moment they speed up the process here, that 3 months can be compressed to maybe less than 1 month. Okay, so don't, even if it is delayed by small amount of time, maybe 1 week or couple of weeks, okay, that time we should be able to utilize for the better revision only. Better revision only. Don't think that anyway it will be postponed, let us sit idle at home. Okay, one thing I'll tell you, this economy is devastated, right? The economy is devastated. At this point of time, what anybody can do? One normal BTech student, once he complete BTech, what can he do? Will he get job in software? Can he try in software? No. Most of the what do you say, companies are devastated economy. Okay. So under that condition, where can he go? So during this time, as complete world economy is collapsed, during this time, it's better to take shelter for 2 years. Okay, so join MTech. Okay, even for this year, who got some rank in GATE, I am requesting all the members to join MTech first, because you will get a shelter there. After joining MTech, you please continue your GATE preparation. Okay, and in future for GATE 2021 also, I request all the students to take 2021 very seriously, because you may not get public sector job. Okay, of course, toppers will get, that's a different story. So, even if you get maybe 5,000 rank or 10,000 rank or maybe beyond 15,000 rank, okay, at least you can go to some place to take shelter. Okay, 2 years of shelter. After 2 years, anyway, the economy will come back to normal stage. Okay, under that condition, you will get better jobs and better everything. Okay, so during this time, it's better to take shelter and in the name of masters. So you need not have any gap now. Okay, so okay, 2 years you have done masters, that will fill the time in your resume. Okay, so means I request all the students of this year GATE qualified guys, you please join in any MTech college. Okay, don't take complete dropout after joining MTech. Continue preparation, everything is in online. Okay, as of now you need not come to Hyderabad to take the guidance, to what do you say, sit in the class. You need not come to Hyderabad. Wherever you are, means everything is online. Okay, so continue your masters, who all GATE qualified students. Okay, wherever you are, economy came down. Okay, it's completely crashed. So 2 years take shelter. After 2 years, everything will come to normal, and maybe within 1 or 2 years it will take, that's obvious. Okay, so even this year GATE 2021 guys also, I request all of you to make serious attempt. Okay, just not like, okay, means I applied for GATE, so I will see what will happen. No. Take GATE very seriously, because even if you don't get something because of this economic collapse and all, okay, you can stay for 2 years in a shelter without any gap in between. Okay, after that also, after going to masters also, you can continue the preparation. Okay, and next thing is, whatever queries you have, whatever may be distracting you from the preparation, just drop a message to me in WhatsApp. I will definitely revert back to you. If it is most popular question, I will do a video. Okay, and compulsorily take gate very seriously. In the next session, I will take maybe how to manage the time, how to revise, actually how to start the preparation with revision. Okay, we need not wait like, okay, maybe, okay, so along with the preparation only, if you start revision, it will be easy for us. Okay, how to do that, I will do a video. And time management, I will try to do a video, or maybe how to write short notes, I'll do a video. These are some popular questions are there with me, means my students sent me already. If you have any other queries, okay, or if you are demotivated, distracted, just send me a mail, send me WhatsApp message. Okay, I will answer it, I will do videos. Thank you very much, all the best.